Hey everyone, I'm back with some new DIYs. So right now I am in the potty training stage with my first, and we are working on potty training in public, and we have been using the disposable potty covers. I was gifted these and I was like looking them up online to try to see to get some more, and I was like, why not make a reusable one? So this is what we're going to be making. The bag is ripped, but this is what they look like, the disposable ones. So what I did was went to Joann's and got some PUL, so that way we can make one that works the same but is reusable, and you can use it for multiple children, and you can wash it and basically save money, because a pack of those includes 6, and I think they're about ranging for like $10 to $12, I believe, per pack, while you can spend $8 and get a reusable one, and that's prettier too. So what I did was get a yard of fabric because I didn't know how much I needed, but a yard of fabric would definitely be enough. So you'll need some PUL fabric. You'll need chalk or some kind of marking to mark your measurements. You need a ruler or a measuring tape to get your measurements. And then you'll need some scissors. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my yardstick, and I have my fabric flattened out so it's not double, it's single-sided. And you can choose to do this on either side. I'm just going to do it on this one. So first you want to measure the length of the whole thing, just so I can get rid of all the excess fabric. So it's going to be 27 inches long. So I'm going to take my marking thing and mark 27. So I'm going to go here just so I know where I'm cutting it. And then it's going to be 24 inches wide. So you can go where you made your mark and go over to 24 and make a mark. Alright. And then I'm just going to cut that out so I have less to deal with. Starting from there. Alright, and then I'm going to find my mark that I made to the side, and then I'm just going to cut down there. So you're left with this size, 27 by 24. So if you want to go to the fabric store and get that exact amount, you can do that. Alright, so then we're going to go ahead and make the circle in the middle first. And the circle in the middle, we're going to go 10 inches in. So you just want to make sure you're going on your long piece. So this is a 27 inch. So you're going to go on your long piece, and you're going to go 10 inches in. And then you're going to make a mark. And it's going to be 10 to 14 and a half. That's going to be your circle. And then you're going to go, how far you want your circle to go in is 4.5 inches from the top. So this is here. So 4.5 from the top to start your circle, and then 10 inches in from one side to get how far you want to end, and it's going to be 4 inches long, the circle. And then the total amount of the circle is going to go down to 9.5. Okay? So then you can just bring these kind of down if you want to kind of get an idea. That's how big your circle is going to be. Okay. So now that I have my circle, I'm going to go ahead and cut that circle out. And to kind of start your circle, you can just fold your fabric in half, kind of pinch it together, make a tiny snip, open it back up, and then you can just go to your lines of measurement to get a better circle. Or you can keep it pinched and kind of, if you draw better lines, but I didn't draw a circle, so I'm just going to eyeball it from the measurements I made. Finish your circle or your rectangle, what you want to do is go 18 inches down from your top, and then make a mark. You want to do the same thing on your other side. And make a mark. And then wherever your 18 is, at your 18 you want to go 5.5 inches over. And make a mark. You want to do the same thing to the other side. And make a mark. Then you want to cut over to your mark. On both sides. Flaps like this. Okay. And then you can go ahead and pretty much cut those off. All right, and then from your 5.5 mark, you're gonna do 4 inches long. And mark. And you do the same thing on the other side. So wherever you made your 4-inch mark, you want to come and go in from your side 6 inches, and then make a mark. And then you want to go to 7.5 and make a mark. And you want to do that on both sides. Basically just going to now cut from that end to where you made your mark at the 6. And then go over to your 7. And do the same thing on the other side. Go over to your 7. And then you're done. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's on the toilet. So you would put the flap in the front that we cut. So their legs won't touch the toilet. And then the reason you cut it here is just so it'll be able to hang and cover the sides adequately. But this is a home toilet, so of course it would fit a little different on the public toilets. I think they're a little larger, so you'll see more coverage, especially in the back. This will actually go back some more. to cover all of your front, because you have a lot here that's gaping in the back. So if you pull it back like that on the public toilets, you'll get all of your area covered. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more.